हो गया
बस ओके, इतना था। ओके नेक्स्ट, ये जो रिकरेंस रिलेशन की है, ओके आफ्टर दैट मैं बोर्ड में लिखा था, बोर्ड में लिखा तो सब निकल गया। ओके जब ये व्हाइट बोर्ड में लिखा था तो फिर इरेज कर दिए थे
ठीक है।
ये दोनों। ओके नाउ आज हम पढ़ेंगे पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में। पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ये क्या बोलते हैं? इट सेज दैट a random variable x is said to follow a Poisson distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability distribution is given by what p x equal to e to the power minus lambda to the power x divided by x factorial, where x value equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0 otherwise. Okay, here lambda is the parameter of the distribution. Okay, this is for the Poisson distribution. Probability of x equal to e to the power minus lambda to the power x divided by x factorial for x varies from 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 3 and 0 होगा otherwise. Now next हमें क्या शो करेंगे? So that suppose there is a question, so that suppose इसको equation 1 बोलेंगे तो so that 1 is a probability mass function. ओके हमें इसको प्रूव करने के दिस प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन. सो फॉर दैट वन क्या प्रूव करना है? देखो प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन है, सब पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज टोटल समेशन विल बी 1. सो क्या करेंगे? समेशन x इक्वल टू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी p ऑफ x इक्वल टू 1 बोल के प्रूव करना है. ओके नाउ देखो क्या करें? दैट इज इक्वल टू समेशन x इक्वल टू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e to the power minus lambda to the power x divided by x factorial, or this equals to e to the power minus lambda summation x equal to 0 to infinity lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. e to the power minus lambda constant taking outside और independent of x, so इसको बाहर ले आए. उसके बाद क्या करें? e to the power minus lambda रह गया. नाउ lambda to the power x by x factorial ये क्या है? इसको सीधा तोड़ोगे तो व्हाट इट गिव्स? 1 प्लस lambda by 1 factorial plus lambda square by 2 factorial plus lambda cube by 3 factorial plus all these things. और सिंपली बोलोगे तो दिस इज नथिंग बट द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ e to the power lambda. ओके सो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद क्या देगा? दिस गिव्स 1. काम खत्म. ओके क्लियर टू ऑल? ये टेलर सीरीज एक्सपेंशन में ऑलरेडी था. ओके नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. There are certain assumptions for this Poisson distribution. What are the assumptions? देखो the following assumptions are made for Poisson distribution. What are the assumptions? First one, n, the number of trial is very large. That is, suppose n tends to infinity. First assumption. The second one is p, the constant probability of success for each trial is very small. That means that is p is negligible or p tends to simple way 0. 0 तो नहीं 0 के आसपास है. So next assumption is n into p should be equal to lambda is finite. And p equal to lambda. Now these are the these are some situation where the Poisson distribution may be successfully employed. That means, what are these examples? Suppose the number of printing mistake at each page of a good book. Similarly, number of accident in some unit of time. Similarly, another situation is number of defective material in a packing of a good concern. Here, look here. In all these example, the number of trial is very large, but the probability of getting success is very small. Suppose in a book, the printing mistake at each page is very small. If p is the probability of getting a printing mistake on a page, then if a book contains 1000 pages, then the probability is very small. Okay. Similarly, the number of accident in some unit of time, or another example is number of defective material in a packing of a good concern. Now, after the assumption, the main question is we have to find some moments of Poisson distribution, just like your binomial distribution. So, next part is your some moments of Poisson distribution. Here, first one is mean. We have to compute mean, as this is a discrete distribution. So mean equal to E of x as summation x with P of x equal to x. Here x equal to 0 to infinity. So just substituting the value of p. So this gives x equal to 0 to infinity x. But in P of x, what you can write? E to the power minus lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. Now simply here x factorial, it is cancel out. So this gives x equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now what we can do? Now if I take e to the power minus lambda outside, e to the power minus lambda outside, then what it gives? Here x equal to 0 to infinity lambda to the power x divided by x minus 1 factorial. Now in next step what can I do? Next is simple. Again I take another one lambda outside, or e to the power minus lambda into lambda. So this gives x equal to 0 to infinity, but here lambda to the power x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 factorial. Now easily you can see that this is nothing but the expansion of e to the power lambda. So e to the power minus lambda into this series is nothing but your e to the power lambda. So this gives lambda minus power lambda plus lambda cancel out, and this gives only, and hence we can say mean equal to lambda. Okay, clear or doubt? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, after finding mean, we have to go for a variance. So next part, I have to find the variance. I have to find the variance. वेरिएंस के लिए क्या करें? देखो, एज वी नो द फॉर्मूला फॉर वेरिएंस v of x is e of x square minus ex square. So as we already have got e of x, so we need to only compute e of x square. Now compute e of x square. This gives x equal to 0 to infinity x square p x equal to x. But this gives the simple, just put the value x equal to 0 to infinity x square p of x equal to x is e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. Now what I do, just look here, I'm writing that x equal to 0 to infinity. Now breaking x square is x into x minus 1 plus x. So this gives e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. After that, we are breaking this as a two part. So here I can write x equal to 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial plus which one? Plus summation x equal to 0 to infinity x into e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x by x factorial. Now this gives, look here, this first part is as such, but this one is your mu value. Sorry, this is your mu or x, your e of x. So simply, but this value already you have proved that this value is lambda. So simple, here you can take summation x equal to 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial plus this second value is lambda. You can say since the summation is e to the power ex, or that is value is lambda. Now after that we can say the summation x equal to 0 to infinity. Now look here, what I am doing, I am writing is e to the power minus lambda to the power x. Now look here, lambda to the power x. ना मैं जैसा का वैसा रखूंगा. ओके, लुक हियर, e to the power minus lambda to the power x minus 2 then lambda square. ओके, ऐसा रखा. And x minus 1 x factorial से कैंसिल होके what it remain, it gives x minus 2 factorial plus lambda. ओके, ये पार्ट को ध्यान से देखो. है e to the power minus lambda as such, बट lambda to the power x को ब्रेक किया lambda to the power x minus 2 into lambda square बोल के. इसका फायदा क्या है, देखो ये दोनों बाहर आ गया. कौन बाहर आ गया, e to the power minus lambda with lambda square. सो बचे कितने, x equal to 0 to infinity lambda to the power x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 factorial, और बाहर है lambda. Now again this value gives e to the power lambda, so e to the power minus lambda square, and this summation is e to the power lambda plus lambda. So lambda square lambda cancel out, and this gives only lambda square plus lambda. Up to this clear? Now what we have done is we have found e of x square as lambda square plus lambda. So we can apply the formula of v of x. V of x is e of x square minus ex square. So e of x square is lambda square plus lambda, and ex is minus lambda square. So this gives again lambda. Okay. Hence variance is also equal to lambda. Clear to all? So for Poisson distribution, mean equal to also lambda, and variance is also lambda. Clear? Everyone please. Hello.
Yes sir.
ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट हम डील करेंगे एक दो एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल करते हैं. वन एग्जांपल ये बोला है ई पे पॉइजन वेरिएट x is such that p of x equal to 1, that is equal to 2, find the following. Sorry, p of x equal to 1 is 2 into, is that p of x equals to 1 equal to 2 into p of x equals to 2. Okay, क्वेश्चन ध्यान से देखो. p of x equal to 1 equal to 2 into p of x equal to 2, then find the following. What do you have to find? First question is p of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0. Next we have to find mean, and third we have to find variance. Okay, so for answer part, as we know, the probability distribution of Poisson distribution is given by p of x equal to e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial. Now what is given? Given that in the question we have p of x equal to 1 equal to 2 into p of x equal to 2. So just substitute here, p of x equal to 1 means small x equal to 1. Okay, so you simply take p of x equal to 1 as e to the power minus lambda to the power 1 by 1 factorial equal to 2 into e to the power minus lambda square by again 2 factorial. So by calculation what you got, देखो e to the lambda cancel out, 2 factorial to cancel out, so you got only lambda equal to lambda square. So after cancelling out you got lambda equal to 1. Okay, as we got the value of lambda, so from that we can calculate all these three. But first one is p of x equal to 0. So simply e to the power minus lambda to the power 0 by 0 factorial, or this gives e to the power minus lambda, that is equal to e to the power minus 1. Second question, you have to find mean. As you know, mean equal to mu equal to lambda, already you have calculated, so this will equal to 1. Third, asking for variance. As you know, variance equal to also mu, variance also equal to lambda. Okay, so answer equal to 1. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, next example. Next example is if x is a Poisson variate such that, same type example, 3 into p of x equal to 4 equal to 1 by 2 p of x equals to 2 plus p of x equals to 0. Then find the following. First question is mean of x, and second question is p of x less than equals to 2. Okay, same thing. For answer part, again you know the probability distribution of Poisson distribution is given by p of x equals to x equal to e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial. Now just substitute here, given that 3 p of x equal to 4 equal to 1 by 2 p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 0. So substituting here, this gives 3 e to the minus lambda 4 by 4 factorial equal to 1 by 2 e to the minus lambda square by 2 factorial plus e to the power minus lambda to the power 0 by 0 factorial. Now देखो ये तीनों में e to the power minus lambda cancel out. So here this gives 3 by 4 factorial. तो क्या रहेगा, lambda 4 ऊपर 3 के साथ 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 cancel out. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Equal to 2 factorial, 2 cancel out. This gives lambda square only, and lambda to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now, sorry, mistake. यहाँ पे 1 by 2 है, not multiply. So this gives lambda square by 4. 2 factorial into 2, 4. Okay. Now after that, just simplification. This gives lambda 4 सबको एक साइड ले आते हैं, ठीक है. This implies lambda 4 minus by 8 minus lambda square by 4 -1 इक्वल टू 0, अगेन 8 नीचे गया, सो लैम्डा 4 -2 लैम्डा स्क्वायर -8 by 8 इक्वल टू 0, 8 निकल गया, देन वी गॉट लैम्डा 4 -2 लैम्डा स्क्वायर -8 इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. तो ध्यान से देखो, just factorize, multiplying, get -2, adding 8 lambda 4, so 4 into 2 8, so we can have lambda 4 minus 4 lambda square plus 2 lambda square minus 8 equal to 0. This gives, here taking common lambda square, we have lambda square minus 4. Second say taking 2 common, this gives lambda square minus 4 equal to 0. So this gives lambda square minus 4 into lambda square minus 2 equal to 0. So easily you can have lambda equal to, so what you got, lambda square
So
plus
plus
2
or minus 4.
plus or minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 and lambda equal to
Complex.
square root of complex, এটা ये नो रियल रूट नहीं, नो
Yes, sir.
रियल रूट, और सिंपल बोलेगा तो 2i प्लस माइनस रूट 2i. नाउ सो व्हिच लैम्डा यू हैव टू टेक, कोई बोल सकता है व्हिच लैम्डा यू हैव टू टेक, सिंस दिस इज सॉरी
Sir, the
4
real
तो ये
values.
प्लस माइनस 2 है ये ना, सो लैम्डा का वैल्यू है either +2 or -2. Okay, there are two value of lambda we are getting, but which value you have to take, ध्यान से देखो लैम्डा कौन सा लेंगे,
The real
एक ही तो
values.
लैम्डा होगा ना, हाँ, तो which one take, +2 or -2? which lambda you have to take, +2 or -2? देखो ऊपर से कंडीशन दिया है, assumption में देखो,
-2, sir.
श्योर, अरे भाई प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होता है, व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी, प्रोबेबिलिटी कैन बी नेगेटिव और नॉट, कोई भी चीज का प्रोबेबिलिटी माइनस होगा या नहीं होगा, इज इट पॉसिबल कोई भी
No,
का
sir.
प्रोबेबिलिटी माइनस नहीं होगा, तो p इज पॉजिटिव एंड नंबर ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट n इक्वल टू आल्सो पॉजिटिव, n पॉजिटिव p पॉजिटिव, एंड यू ऑलरेडी सी दैट हियर, क्या लिखा है फर्स्ट पार्ट में, क्या लिखा है, व्हाट इज np इक्वल टू लैम्डा इज फाइनाइट, तो तुम्हारा नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव and your p is also positive, so n into p equal to lambda, so lambda must be a positive number. Okay, so which lambda you have to take, we have to take lambda equal to 2. clear, -2 नहीं होगा, -2 नहीं होगा. Okay, up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
क्या डाउट है फिर, हाँ. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है, फर्स्ट पार्ट मिल गया, मीन ऑफ एक्स, मीन क्या है फिर, मीन ऑफ एक्स क्या है, मीन ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू म्यू, म्यू इक्वल टू लैम्डा, लैम्डा इक्वल टू हियर 2, काम खत्म. नेक्स्ट चाहिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा है किसके लिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा है p ऑफ x लेस देन इक्वल टू 2 के लिए, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू कंप्यूट p ऑफ x इक्वल टू 0 प्लस p ऑफ x इक्वल टू 1 प्लस p ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2. Okay, just substitute here, so e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus e to the minus lambda, lambda to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus e to the minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. lambda का वैल्यू क्या मिला है, lambda का वैल्यू +2, so e to the power minus square 2 to the power 0, 0 factorial का वैल्यू 1 आता है, e to the power minus 2, lambda का स्क्वायर 2, सॉरी 2 power 1 by 1 factorial plus e minus 2 square by 2 factorial. So simple, e minus 2 plus 2e minus 2 again plus 2e minus 2. So 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. 5e minus 2. Okay, these are the value. Clear? Clear to all? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
चलो आज इतना ही पढ़ते हैं, ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे तो फिर जल्दी जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास वी डील विथ रेकरेंस रिलेशन ऑफ ए प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जैसे बाइनोमियल के किए थे. और एक केस है पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ए लिमिटिंग केस ऑफ बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. मतलब बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को अगर इंफिनिटी तक लोगे तो तुम्हारा पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आएगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल रीड दैट. And just those who have not given the attendance, go there, go to the Google class and give the attendance. Okay? और इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है तो ले लो. अभी इतना पढ़े थे आज इसका, यहाँ से लो. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
ओके. फर्स्ट हुआ, नेक्स्ट सेकंड.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट वेरिएंस.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट लास्ट एग्जाम्पल.
Done, sir.
और ये पूरा लास्ट.
Finish, sir.
ओके चलो ठीक है. हाँ, फिर सैटरडे को है हमारा क्लास, फिर मिलते हैं
sir.
सैटरडे 2:30 को. तुम लोग सैटरडे को कोई को आते नहीं, बहुत लोग हैं, बहुत लेट में आते हो, इसीलिए मैं भी 1-2 क्लास में इधर उधर हो गया.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
शायद कुछ नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चलो ठीक है. हाँ, ठीक ठीक खत्म होगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. किसी का भी कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ सकते हैं बाद में. ठीक है,
Thank you, sir.
ओके चलो, थैंक यू ऑल.